Hey, John here. Hey, I'm doing a part 2, which is really a part 0.5. I guess this is like a prequel. This goes before the video that I just showed how to do this wire repair inside of this DeWalt 20-volt weed eater. And people are trying what I'm saying, and they're having a hard time getting apart. And mine broke again. Mine's broke about 10 times. But I'm a poor guy that's always fixing things and not buying new ones. So when I've rebuilt this about 10 times, it's always the same problem: different wire, different break. These things just have horrible strength of wire and solders, and they just break over and over and over. So hopefully DeWalt's changing the design a tad, but they're great if you can fix it. But anyway, you take out all these screws, and what they are is they're T20s. So that T20, that's what you use. Here's what I use to take it. I've got them, hopefully I've got them loosened up. People are getting it to this place, they can't get it apart. And there's a couple things. If you're not taking the battery off, it's never coming apart, I guess. Because see that crack? There's a seam that goes all the way down. So first thing you gotta do is you've got to take the battery off. Maybe that's your problem. The second thing is, this is taped. And you've got to take a knife and you've got to cut down through there to separate that. And it's see if I can do it with one hand. I've got the screws out, and this is what it's going to do. It should just come off just like that. I didn't do anything but take the screws out. And again, you cut that seam with the knife, separate that label. And once it's apart, you can see putting it back together. It can be a pain, because you can see, like right there, it's got to come up through there. There's a wire in it that gets in the way. You've got to be careful, and these things will fall out. That goes through there, through here. So as you can have a problem putting it back together. That's why I said in the other video is, once you get apart, take a picture of it first thing, so when you're putting it back together, because sometimes when I've soldered this, I have to take this out. You can see my solder jobs. I've soldered there. I'm not a good solderer, I'm real shaky, but you can see 2 repairs I did here. I've had these wires burn off a couple times. I've had to rewire nut them. There's 2 down in there, blue and red. I don't know what my problem is this time. It's going to be one of those. I have to look closer. But every time it happens, it's just a wire goes, gets raw, gets a little cut in it or something, and it eventually breaks. So just make sure all your welds are secure. Your solders, I mean. But that should do you. I can't imagine anything else that holds you up. Like I said, this label has to be cut, and make sure you have your battery off. Other than that, just take a screwdriver or knife and put it in that seam and pop it up. There should not be anything that holds it together. So this should be done before the other repair part that I showed you in the previous video. So this is like a part 2. It's really a 0.5. Okay, T20 takes it apart. That's all you need, and then repair whichever one of these wires, solder breaks. That's it. Sheep are saying hello, evidently. All right, thank you.